Namaskar. Manjeet Sargam Chawla here. I'm an author of The Mystic of Twin Flame Relationship book. Today I got a calling to speak. It's a spiritual calling to speak on this topic. Although I wrote this book, I think 4 years before, in 2016, and this oxygen, don't worry, it's a COVID-19 gift, and I am sure you all that it will be, my next video will be without this oxygen. Well, I have a lot of fear. I don't know what fear it was to speak on Twin Flame. Although I write many books, and although I was in counseling on this, for I counsel many twin flames and help them in this journey. But I was not, come in front of you on this video to speak on this. But I don't know what calling was, what spiritual calling was today morning that I have to speak on this topic. Well, maybe the God wants that this wisdom should not go with me, and it should be shared with you all and all my mates, everyone. We all are connected. We all are connected at the soul level. There is only a single super soul, and we all are a part of that super soul. Come to the topic, twin flames. Twin flames is a spiritual, spiritual connection. It's not like just a soulmate. Soulmate is a person who is always there with you, whenever you need him. He is a person when you come out of the home, and you come in the home after your work, and you are tired, and you are stressed, and he's always there for you, and always there for his shoulder is always there to cry on. He's just your soulmate. He soothes you, he calms you, he motivates you. But when we talk about a twin flame relationship, it's something different, it's something tough, and it's something very deep. These are some spiritual connections. So, there is a past life lessons. There is past life karmas. Twin flames are always connected with past lives. We have some past life karmas with them. We have some past life love with them. When you feel that the particular person is your twin flame, then you can feel it's a mirror. It's a mirror reflection. Whatever in you is always there in him also. It's like it's a proper reflection. If you have a hatred for something, there is a hatred of not want to be that something, no? And if you love, if you are very desirous, if you are very, you want to do something, there is a purpose. If you have a common purpose to help someone, to help the community, you want to help some needy persons, or you want to help some like handicapped persons, or there is a purpose in always, and that purpose which you share is always there in twin flames. Twin flames are like a most appropriate teacher for you. Whenever you see in life, it's a roller coaster. I always say that twin flame journey is always a roller coaster, because it teach you many lessons in your life, like mm, these lessons who you are neglected. There are in our subconscious mind, there are many fears of our past life, or there are many lessons which we have to learn in this journey. And we have to merge in this universe, in this rankar, or we will come into the salvation state. The spiritual enlightenment process will take place only, and when the twin flame comes into your life, you will learn how the things happen. You will learn your own flaws. You will learn your own errors. Whatever he is giving you, the scenes, or he will tease you. You will learn that you in itself, you from your inner being are same. So that's why twin flame is always your teacher. I have written some points to just make this very informational for you. And obviously, it's the first point is fast track evolution ticket. It is a fast track evolution ticket. What is evolution? Evolution is like you are seeing your own errors. You are noticing your own spiritual errors, and you are working on that. Whether it's patience, surrenderness, forgiveness, there are many things which we are not doing in our lives. But when we connect to this twin flame relationships, then twin flame show you these things, and you will feel that how he did this, how he was wrong here, and the same in the same process, you learn that these things are also in you. So, that's why it's a evolution ticket. You will be getting spiritual ascension day by day, and it's not a small relationship. It will take many years, and I must say, you are inseparable. You know what, whether you meet, you see each other, or whether you talk or not to talk each other, you will never be separate. Your souls are always connected. And although this 2020 in itself is a spiritual awakening year, as a pandemic has came and many other things are coming, this year is a reunion year of twin flames, and you can also say that it's a highest energy level year. There are the draining of energies of many people. I have seen in the hospitals, and you know, in my own COVID journey, it was very painful to see people in suffering, and seeing people dying. It was no doubt a spiritual awakening, and again a spiritual lessons that we should be grateful for our lives, for our brain. And so that's why this 2020 is 2020, sorry, year is a year of life changing year. That's why this transformation will go on. Many twin flames will reconnect. Well, again, the next is there is always a runner or chaser system in always a twin flame. And the one thing for which I'm going to make this video is in runner and chaser theme, the person who chases the runner, the person who chases in a relationship can go destructive. It can be constructive, and it can be destructive. Many times the chaser go into the depression, they can be destructive. Save those chasers, and also runners. Runners sometimes feel like that they are happy, but inside they are running from their own self. They are running from their own soul. Because twin flames are own souls. They can't bear the separation, but they also can't bear the union, because it's so intense. It's very intense, and that's why this video is making. I'm making this video just to confirm that just that no destructive action has been taken by any twin flames. It's just a help. And again, it's a bond which will always be there, whether you stay together or you stay apart. But this bond will never be broken. Many years until you did not get the salvation, until you did not get merged into this universe, into this super soul, into this shankar. That's why I always say that the twin flame relationships are trying to tease you, to teach you. And again, I just want to convey one more thing, that some people say that there is a one soul and it cut into two, and there are two gods. No, you are in itself is a complete. Twin flame relationships is a complete soul. You know, how can a soul be did not complete? No, the only thing is to you have to love yourself first. The very first thing I just want to convey in this video is the one message that don't lose your dignity and respect in the sake of twin flame love. Twin flame love is unconditional love. You will never, experience this type of love in your lifetime, in many lifetimes. So this love is unconditional love, and that thing is key to seek that love, to chase that love, we just lose our own respect and dignity. That is a wrong thing, because this is the very first lesson of conflict relationship, is to start loving yourself, start respecting yourself, and this is the only lesson, the first lesson, day one lesson for every conflict. At least start love yourself. Your twin flame will be aligned with you as soon as you start loving yourself. Thank you.